greetings, dear viewers. I would like to begin with an apology to you for not uploading lately, as I have been busy with my cross examinations. I promise I will try to be more active. So let's begin with the today's video, which is English Conducting Part 7. So enjoy the video. Every morning starts a new page in our story. Make it a great one today. A warm and healthy morning to one and all present here. Today, I dash is obliged to represent in front of you. The function of prayer is not to influence God, but rather to change the nature of one who prays. So I request the choir to lead us. By listening to the thoughts, you will be able to change the thought of the world. So let's listen the thought of the day from Dash. A new word is like a fresh seed sown on the ground of discussion. So let's listen the new word from Dash. News keeps you updated and provide important educational value. So I would like to invite Dash for the news. The most special day is our birthday, but it is incomplete without birthday song. So I request birthday students to please assemble on the stage. Let us show our duties towards our nation. So be ready in pledge position. Freedom and bravery are the main reasons why we sing our national anthem. So let's sing our national anthem. Thank you so much for hearing me out. I hope I helped you. If yes, please do subscribe this channel and share this video as much as you can. Adios. Fare you well. Bye bye. Be realistic and explore your creativity.